Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't know how many of you got this problem, but this seems to be a really common problem. This is a 2010 Chevy Tahoe, but this problem happens anywhere between 2007 and up, probably to like 2015. I don't know, you can hear the radio. I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear the buzzing sound every time I press the gas, or when I Alright, that is a really common problem, and I'm gonna show you what the solution is. You come to the back. In a lot of these trucks, you have a lot of options on them, and this is gonna be the problem. This what is it called? It's the rear audio control unit. This thing goes bad, so it needs to be replaced. So I bought a new one, and see if that fixes the problem. I'll be right back. Oh, something that I forgot to do is to show you how to remove this. Pretty much all you have to do is you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna prime around it like that. I can't really do it, with one hand without damaging, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm having a little trouble removing these, so what I started doing is I got this little tool right here, I don't even know what you call it, and I pick it like right here just to make enough room for my screwdriver, and then I started priming, and then as you can see I started going down all the way around. Now on the other side is so tight I can't really get anything in there, so the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna go like this behind all this trim. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to do it one-handed, and just keep on priming. You see the clips right there? I'm gonna have the same thing at the other side. I'm just gonna keep on going around it. Alright, I finally got it out. Like I said, you just gotta prime on it, and it's gonna come right off. It doesn't have any screws until you get to the back. The way you remove this one on the back, oh my god, I have no room. It's you got 4 screws, 2 right there, you got 2 connectors on the back and 2 on the other side, and that thing gonna come right off. And just like that, you just swap it. Like I said, 4 screws on the back. I removed the whole thing just to make my life a little easier. 2 screws right there, 2 screws right there. You gotta unplug the cigarette lighter thingy right there, and the audio inputs, and then you got 2 more connectors over here. Let me show you something real quick about these red connector. Oh my god, it's gonna be so difficult to do one-handed. Maybe I can show you what I'm talking about. This was kind of difficult for me because the way you remove it is you press this, you press it back and then pull up. But you see how this blue clip is on the way? It's pressed down like that. So what you need to do, you get a pair of pliers, like needle nose pliers, and pull up on it, and then you're gonna be able to push this back to be able to remove it. You're gonna do the same thing, putting it back in. And just like that, we're back in. Alright, all you gotta do is just reverse order, pretty much like I said, plug everything back in, and you just push it back in place. Let's see if it works. Let's see if that annoying buzzing sound is gone. I don't know if you can hear that my blinker light been on the entire time of the video. It's because every time I put my blinker and the radio is on like it is right now, that's when I hear the buzzing sound. So let's turn the volume down, but it's still on. No more buzzing sound. Let's go to the other side. The buzzing sound is gone. We fixed it, guys. I hope this is going to be helpful for somebody, and good luck.